Nestled in the heart of Bihar, India, lies the quaint town of Mahnar Bazar. Don't let its size fool you. This small town holds immense cultural and historical significance. The town is known for its warm hospitality and the simplicity of life. Mahnar Bazar offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city life. Mahnar Bazar is more than just a dot on the map. It is a vibrant community. The people are deeply connected to their roots. They carry forward traditions passed down through generations. The town is a melting pot of cultures and stories. The charm of Mahnar Bazar lies in its simplicity. Life here moves at a different pace. The air is filled with the sounds of nature. The people are warm and welcoming. A visit to Mahnar Bazar is a journey back in time. It is a chance to experience the true essence of rural India. Mahnar Bazar boasts a rich tapestry of history. The town has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Remnants of the past can still be seen in the architecture and local folklore. Ancient temples and ruins whisper tales of bygone eras. The history of Mahnar Bazar is intertwined with the history of Bihar itself. The town played a role in several significant events. It was a center of trade and commerce. The influence of different dynasties can be seen in the local culture. Over the centuries, Mahnar Bazar has held on to its heritage. The stories of the past are kept alive through local festivals and traditions. The people of Mahnar Bazar are proud of their heritage. They strive to preserve it for future generations. Agriculture is the backbone of Mahnar Bazar's economy. The fertile land surrounding the town is ideal for farming. Farmers here grow a variety of crops, including rice, wheat and lentils. The sight of lush green fields is a common sight in Mahnar Bazar. Agriculture is more than just a profession in Mahnar Bazar. It is a way of life. Generations of farmers have toiled the land, providing sustenance for the community. The agricultural cycle dictates the rhythm of life in Mahnar Bazar. The local markets are always bustling with fresh produce. The people of Mahnar Bazar take pride in their agricultural heritage. They understand the importance of sustainable farming practices. The agricultural landscape of Mahnar Bazar is a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. Mahnar Bazar experiences a typical North Indian climate. The summers are hot and humid while the winters are cool and pleasant. The monsoon season brings much-needed rainfall, rejuvenating the land. Each season in Mahnar Bazar brings its own unique charm. The changing seasons dictate the agricultural cycle. Farmers eagerly await the monsoon rains for a bountiful harvest. The winter months are a time for harvesting and celebrating. Life in Mahnar Bazar revolves around the rhythm of nature. The climate of Mahnar Bazar is well suited for agriculture. The fertile soil and ample rainfall make it an ideal location for farming. The people of Mahnar Bazar have learned to live in harmony with nature. They understand the importance of respecting the environment. Section 5. The Lifeline Rivers and Water Bodies. The mighty Ganga River flows close to Mahnar Bazar, blessing the region with its life-giving waters. The river is a source of livelihood for many, providing water for irrigation and fishing. The Ganga is not just a river in Mahnar Bazar, it is considered sacred. Several other smaller rivers and water bodies crisscross the landscape, further enriching the ecosystem. These water bodies play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. They are home to a variety of fish and other aquatic life. The people of Mahnar Bazar understand the importance of preserving these water bodies. They have a deep respect for the rivers and treat them with reverence. The presence of these water bodies enhances the beauty and serenity of Mahnar Bazar. Section 6. The Tapestry of Green Flora of Mahnar Bazar. The landscape surrounding Mahnar Bazar is a vibrant tapestry of green. Mango, neem and peepal trees dot the landscape, providing shade and beauty. The presence of these trees helps to mitigate the effects of pollution. Medicinal plants and herbs also grow abundantly in the region, highlighting the connection between nature and traditional healing practices. The people of Mahnar Bazar have long relied on these natural remedies for their well-being. The lush greenery of Mahnar Bazar is a treat for the eyes. It provides a welcome escape from the concrete jungles of the city. The people of Mahnar Bazar take pride in their natural heritage. They understand the importance of preserving this green cover for future generations. Section 7. Winged Wonders and Local Fauna. The skies above Mahnar Bazar are often filled with the melodies of various bird species. Parrots, sparrows and kingfishers are a common sight, adding to the charm of the countryside. The surrounding forests and fields are home to a variety of animals, including deer, wild boar and smaller mammals. The presence of these animals is a testament to the healthy ecosystem of the region. The people of Mahnar Bazar coexist with these creatures. understanding the importance of maintaining a balance between human activity and wildlife conservation. The rich biodiversity of Mahnar Bazaar is a valuable asset that needs to be protected. Section 8. Beyond Mahnar nearby attractions. Mahnar Bazaar is located within easy reach of several historically and culturally significant sites. Vaishali, the ancient seat of democracy, is a short distance away. The ruins of Vaishali offer a glimpse into India's glorious past. Sonepur, famous for its annual cattle fair, is another popular destination near Mahnar Bazaar. The Sonepur Cattle Fair is a unique spectacle that attracts visitors from all over the country. Patna, the capital city of Bihar, is also easily accessible from Mahnar Bazaar. Patna is a bustling metropolis with a rich history and vibrant culture. It offers a stark contrast to the peaceful environment of Mahnar Bazaar. Section 9. The heart of Mahnar economy and infrastructure. While agriculture remains the mainstay of Mahnar Bazaar's economy, the town has witnessed gradual development in recent years. Small-scale industries and businesses are emerging, providing employment opportunities to the local population. The town has basic infrastructure facilities including schools, healthcare centers, and transportation services. Efforts are being made to improve the infrastructure and connectivity of Mahnar Bazaar. The government is implementing various schemes to promote rural development and uplift the standard of living in Mahnar Bazaar. The people of Mahnar Bazaar are resilient and hardworking. They are optimistic about the future of their town. Section 10. A hidden gem of Bihar. Mahnar Bazaar, with its rich history, vibrant culture and serene environment, is truly a hidden gem of Bihar. The town offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. The people of Mahnar Bazaar are warm, welcoming and deeply connected to their roots. A visit to Mahnar Bazaar is an opportunity to experience the true essence of rural India. It is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. The serenity of Mahnar Bazaar leaves a lasting impression on visitors. Mahnar Bazaar serves as a reminder of the simple joys of life. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. Mahnar Bazaar is a testament to the enduring spirit of rural India.